Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by matching project settings to your footage, resolution, frame rate, and color space, because consistency prevents surprises later. Once imported, place your primary clip on the timeline and add a reference image on a secondary layer so you can compare hues. Now tap the clip, open Effects, and add a basic color correction node. This is your control hub. Make sure to save a snapshot so you can revert, and don't skip enabling color management. This preserves highlight and shadow behavior. You should begin with primary corrections. Lower or raise exposure to protect highlights, then shape contrast to keep midtones readable. That's why you address these first. Once done, balance whites and blacks and then tackle white balance using temp and tint to remove color cast. This sets a neutral baseline. Make sure to watch the waveform or histogram so you avoid clipping. Scopes tell you when highlights or shadows are lost. Also, use gentle moves. Small changes yield natural results. Next, you perform secondary corrections. Isolate skin tones, skies, or specific colors with HSL or selective color tools to refine hue, saturation, and luminance. This fixes problems without wrecking the whole image. Once satisfied, add gentle sharpening and a small global vibrance or saturation boost to taste. For exporting, pick the original color profile and preview on a calibrated monitor. If color shifts appear, toggle color management off and on. That often results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.